So today we're doing topic 3, lesson 8. It's evaluating expressions. Evaluating expressions is fancy math talk for solving math problems without equal signs. Our expressions don't have equal signs. So what you're going to need is your notes and your pencils. Our objective is to use the order of operations to evaluate expressions to solve math problems with given numerals, meaning sometimes you're going to be missing numbers, but they'll give them to you, and then you have to solve with those. So use your Roman numeral 8. Evaluate expressions, and letter A, this is just your basic one. 6 5/10 plus parentheses 2 3/10 times 8 1/10. What should we do first? Should we add first, multiply first? Well, according to the order of operations, we do everything inside the parentheses first. So the first thing we would do is we would multiply 2 3/10 times 8 1/10. So let's do that. 2 3/10 times 8 1/10. Add all that together, we get 18 6/10. Now, that's right here, 18 6/10. Is there anything else to do inside the parentheses? There's not, so we're all done with those. And now we can add our 6 5/10 with that, and we would end up with, let's do a little adding, 25 1/10, okay? So this is what I was talking about before when I said that we were going to have to evaluate the expressions with any given numeral. In this problem, the exact same math problem as before, but now they say 6 5/10 plus parentheses 2 3/10 times m. And then they tell us that m equals 8 1/10. So in that instance, first we replace the variable. Remember, variable is math talk for letter, with the numeral. Numeral means number. And then we solve it. So first thing we would do is replace the m with how much they say m is worth. M is worth 8 1/10. So we've done this one time before already this year. And then we would solve by multiplying and then adding, just like before. But the most important thing that we need to talk about today is that there's a real first step in your order of operations. Remember when we did our order of operations dance and we said first we do the parentheses? It's actually kind of a lie. There's a step before that. It's brackets, but I'm not even sure how we would do that. Brackets. So the new order of operations step is first you do the brackets. Then you look inside the brackets and there will be parentheses. Then exponents. Then multiplication and division. Then addition or subtraction. Always going from left to right. So let's look at this problem. 6 squared times 2 plus bracket 16 divided by 8 plus parentheses 18 minus 4 times 2 parentheses bracket. So according to the order of operations, we are going to look inside of our brackets first. So I'm looking inside my brackets, and I've got some division, I have addition, I have parentheses, I have subtraction, and I have multiplication. So I'm already in my bracket. So now within my bracket, what should I do first? I should do everything inside the parentheses first. So I'm going to look over here to my parentheses. Now I have two choices. I can subtract or I can multiply. Well, according to my order of operation, I'm going to multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8. Now I'm still inside my parentheses, so I have to finish that. 18 minus 8 is 10. Is there anything else to do inside that parentheses? No, so we're going to erase them. Okay, so now we look out. Should we do this stuff first now? No, we're still working inside of our bracket. I have a 16 divided by 8 and an 8 plus 10. What should I do first? Well, according to our order of operation, we're going to then divide. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Are we ready to move out of our brackets? Nope, we've got to finish everything inside there. 2 plus 10 is 12. So we look inside of our brackets. There's nothing else to do in it, so now we're going to get rid of them. Now those are all gone. And now we look at the rest of our problem again. We have 6 squared times 2 plus 12. What should I do? Should I add? Should I multiply, or should I use my exponent? Well, according to the order of operation, we should do our exponent next. 6 squared means the base of 6, 2 times, or 6 times 6, which is 36. Now what should I do? Should I multiply or should I add? We should multiply. 36 times 2 is 72. And now 72 plus 12 is 84. I know it's a lot of steps, but you guys can totally do it. So here's a column for you guys to try. You're going to write this down. 3 5/10 minus 2 1/10 plus 4 times 6 1/10. So look at all all this, what should we do first? Should you want to look in your brackets first, and within your brackets, should you add, or should you do your parentheses? So do all of that, add, and then you're going to multiply by 6 and 1/10, and show me your answer tomorrow. Put it in your notes and show me your answer. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.